very good evening to everyone present here. A lot of you have been part of my journey, part of my success. So I have you to thank for putting me in a position where I can actually make myself of use to the universe. This really has been one of my most exciting, most passionate ventures. I don't want to really call it a venture. It is a transition. When I was young and people asked me what I wanted to be, I had no idea. When I became an actor, I thought that is what I wanted to be and that was going to be my calling. With God's grace, I got a lot from that milieu. But today, if you ask me what I want to be, I really want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. And I couldn't have done it better through this medium, through the Shilpa Shetty channel, which I'm here to launch today. This, I have discovered over the years, is my calling. And it really comes from the heart, because the universe has given me so much. It's time for me to give back. And I thought there's no other better medium than going digitally to be able to, for people to have access and the right kind of knowledge about health. So when people compliment me and say that, oh my God, Shilpa, how do you look like this? Or you look the same, and how do you do it? I tried writing the book and I thought that would, suffice. And then through my Instagram, I realized that people actually follow it to see what I eat. And I try to, encourage people to make that modification, that lifestyle modification. And then I realized I'll have to kind of make it bigger and magnify it. And then the idea came about with this that we are launching today. It's all encompassing. We've got 3 themes: the art of balance, the art of strengthening, and the art of loving food. Most people think that fitness is only about going to a gym or have some kind of regimen in terms of whether it be cardio or weight training or Pilates and Zumba and that's it. वो कर लिया तो मतलब उनको लगता है कि weight loss होगा. But what most people don't understand is that if you don't pay attention to what you are putting within you, or what goes into you, is what actually makes a big difference to your body, to your mental health. That needs to be focused upon. So it's 70% food and nutrition and 30% some kind of activity. It can even mean walking up the stairs, okay? But if your food is right, and if you have knowledge on that, you will be able to achieve the kind of fitness you want. And I'm not talking about any kind of size. What could be fit to you may not be fit to someone else. But let me explain the meaning of fitness. Fitness is when you feel healthy, when you are able to be agile. Someone who's 104 kilos, if he can do burpees, he's fit. If someone if someone is very, very fit and who can't sit down like this, he's not fit, mister. And a lot of people can't do it. People have issues going down on their haunches because we're just leading such fast-paced lives that we have no time to look inward, to think about the kind of food we're putting into our system, to read the back of labels, to take a breath of fresh air, or even chew our food. How many of you even chew your food more than 20 times? We don't. So it's kind of my way of making people realize that these are the things that should be given importance. I've embarked on this journey. I really hope I'm able to achieve. I really think I would have achieved some kind of success if I have one person coming to me and saying that, you know, Shilpa, I didn't give up because of you. So I really hope that happens with the Shilpa Shetty channel. It really comes from the heart, and I really hope all the people from the media help me achieve this dream, because